Hello everyone. Today we are going to present our PBA. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Angeliana and my team member is Angelina and Eshavela.
We start by changing the computer name to WinServer and setting the IP address to 192.168.10.10. This gives the server its identity on the network. Next, we install Active Directory domain services and set the domain name to pba.com. This creates the central system to manage users and computers. Inside Active Directory, we make an organizational unit called Finance and add 3 users. For example, we use Angelina, Aniliana, and Eshavila. Disorganize accounts and keep them secure. For DNS, we set up a reverse lookup zone with network ID 192.168.10, allowing only secure updates and enable the PTR record, so the server can be found both ways. Finally, in the HCP, we name the scope internal network. The scope name is just a label to identify which pool of IP addresses belongs to which part of the network.
The HCP server is configured with an IP range from 192.168.10.50 to 80, but 61 to 80 are excluded, so only limited range is assigned to clients. This duration is 60 days, meaning clients can use the assigned IP that period, and a simple HTML page is saved as home.html in www root for IaaS hosting. Binary uses IP 192.168.10.10 on port 80, and default page is set to home.html and hostname for domain access. Then the default document is set to home.html, so the web page loads automatically when users access the sites. So for the last one, for the share files is shared to everyone. Admin has full control, others can only read.
In Linux, the make-dar commands create a new directory where text generates an empty file. To edit contents, the Nano text editor provides a simple interface in the terminals. Permissions are checked with the LSL for files and LSLD for directory, which display data access right. To change permission, the chmod command is employed, and when admin needs restrict right required, it must be preceded by sudo to run with root privilege. This ensures only authorized user can enter protected file or further maintaining system security. The IPA commands display the system IP configuration and capture the contents of file. Finally, the web page created can be browsed either by entering the IP address or by using configure domain name.
For task 4, client join domain pba.com, user login, confirm as pba/Isabella. This shows the device is connected and authenticated to the domain. Client has correct IP and DNS, MAC-address, and the hosted webpage is accessible by domain name pba.com and IP address. This proves full connectivity and domain resolution.
In Linux, backup and restore are managed with the tar commands. Using tarcf create an archive file, where tartf lists its content without extracting. To restore, the archive can be copied with cp and extracted using tarxf, with options like strip components to simplify directory path. Finally, ls verifies that the file has been successfully restored.